Alright, I'm going to show you, I set up my camera now, another little angle. I'm going to show you backing the tractor up to the trailer. You know, the low bed hookup. Alright, see what happens. So yeah, that's hope that worked out good. But you can see, yeah, this here pin, the locking pin that hooks up down here, you know, it's all hooked up to this piece of thick flat stock metal, real thick, heavy duty. So when you unlock the latch and flip the handle back, that makes this lever lock here come back, and then it allows that big fat pin to come up, which tells you it's unlocked. So then when you hook back up and everything, and you lift it up, you know, you're in straight, and then you lift up the gooseneck and everything, and you lower this lever. When you first hit the toggle switch that's over here, that toggle switch to lock, when you hit that to lock, it drops this pin, so it locks everything in, and then you close the locking lever, this locking lever, and there's 4 different heights of your ride height. You always put it on the lowest one, you know, for height reasons for the machines and stuff, but that slides across and it is a safety lock, so this pin can't come up and unlock. So, you know, every trailer's a little different. That's how this Load King is hooked up. Terex Load King. But yeah, it's a 50-ton tri-axle. Alright, thanks for watching.